Hello and welcome to this special holiday video. My name is Dasha and today I'm taking you on a magical Christmas journey through Chatsworth House in England, one of the most beautiful places around the world, dressed in its festive best. Step inside the grand reception hall, where twinkling Christmas trees greet you. Enter the famous painted hall, adorned with dazzling decorations, breathtaking ceiling art, and funny Christmas animations of playful dwarfs inside the fireplace. The elegant staircase invites us to explore more of this festive wonderland. But before, we will have a quiet pause in the chapel and oak room, surrounded by portraits and warm wooden interiors. The cozy atmosphere contrasts beautifully with the sparkle of Christmas lights. Another Christmas tree awaits, this time with hanging presents and stockings along the corridor. Winter paintings set the seasonal mood as we reach the small gallery and the great chamber, filled with toy trains, as you can see from this video, snowmen and glittering Christmas brooches. The oak stairs lead us to the elegant library, where festive animations bring joy to the historic space. Then the great dining room, used by Cavendish family for celebrations, shines with holiday charm. Finally, the sculpture gallery, a cinematic highlight you may recognize from Pride and Prejudice movie 2005. This completes our indoor tour. Outside, Chatsworth Gardens sparkle with festive lights and cheerful snowmen. Highlights include the famous Cascade, Emperor Fountain, Rock Garden, Maze, Grotto House, with wonderful charming views of pond and landscape. In summer, the gardens transform into a rainbow of colors. But today it is all about winter wonder and Christmas sparkle. That was a Christmas at Chatsworth House. This was my trip in 2023, a truly wonderful experience. And don't miss this year's Christmas at Chatsworth House Enchanted Garden from 8th November 2025 to 4th January 2026. I will put the link of the Chatsworth House website in the description section, where you can plan your journey. How you can get to the Chatsworth House? You need to take the train to Sheffield, then hop on the bus number 218 Peak Line, straight to the Chatsworth House. Thank you for joining me on this festive adventure. Wishing you all Happy New Year, filled with joy, light and magical journeys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next year.